Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Rajan's English. This is Rajan once again. Today I'm here with 5 tips to start your English journey. Those tips will not help you directly, but definitely it will help you indirectly to start your journey without any hesitation. So let's get started. Number 1, and the first one I consider, be 100% confident. You see, confidence is that thing that you have to achieve in your life at any cost. Without ensuring confidence, I think everything will be turned into very impossible and very difficult for you. So in terms of speaking English, you have to be very confident in your speaking. Doesn't matter what the skill you have. Doesn't matter your accent is better or not. But you have to be unsure of full of your confidence. So this is a crying need to ensure confidence. Number 2, I consider avoid your shyness. It's a very common scenario that most of the people of our surroundings, we people are very shy. People are very shy to the people of our surroundings. And the matter will be English, speak in English, and it will turn into very difficult for everybody. So you have to avoid your shyness. This is very crying need to avoid your shyness. Number 3, I consider take English more easier than you're thinking. There is a saying that if you consider a task is easy, definitely it will turn into more easier for you. At the same time, if you consider a task is tougher for you or difficult for you, so it will turn into more difficult for you. It's a very common thinking. So in that sense, if you consider English or if you take English is difficult, so definitely you have to face lots of difficulties in the latter part. But it's very simple that if you consider English is more easier than thinking, so your journey will be very easy for you. That's proven. Number 4, I consider be focused and take it as a challenge. Actually, you have to faith of yourself. And you have to believe yourself that I can do it. I can win the journey of English. I'll do it within 2 months or 3 months. And in this time, what should I do? I definitely have to ensure it. In that kind of perseverance or in that kind of perspective of you, I think the journey will be very easier for you. So definitely try to be focused and take it as a challenge. Number 5 and the last one, don't get dissatisfied and disappointed. You see, numbers of dissatisfaction and disappointment coming from your surroundings. People of your surroundings is to consider lots of negative words, and it's a very common thing that we people are easily get dissatisfied or disappointed after hearing their negative perspective or negative point of view. This will not be happen. If you can ensure this kind of negative perspective, or if you can easily remove all kinds of negative perspective from the people of your surroundings, so definitely you can win the journey of English. Dear friends, after completing these 5 tips, I have a bonus tips for you, and that will be stand in front of mirror. Don't laugh at me. This has been considered the ever proven steps. You definitely see the world most renowned actors and actresses what they are actually doing before starting their acting. They stand in front of mirror to judge themselves. So if you don't have any partner, or if you fail to manage any kind of partner to speak, so definitely you can try it. Stand in front of mirror on a daily basis, and I think you will find a good result by doing that. So that's all for today. Actually, I strongly believe that I have a strong belief that if you follow this 5 or 6 tips to start your English journey, I think you will get benefited. So I have a strong request to all of you that share my videos to your neighbors, to your friends. I think they will also be benefited. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.